guys, what's going on? SS Gaming here, back from the GTA 5 Fight Moments. And see this thing I'm on? My mechanic calls this an ATV, and I call that a fail.
Okay, anyway, ATV adventure.
ATV and Blazer, doing some stupid shit. Woo! Is that shit? Oh fuck! Oh, shards of glass!
In your ass?
No, just regular shards.
No.
Have fun, bitch.
I'm not dying today. I want to make it up this. I'm going to make it up this. Oh shards. Fuck you, I'm taking a pack up now, Chiliad. Are they in your ass? Oh, but fuck you, I'm taking the path. I'm not taking a path, I'm going to go away.
Well, the path is always the safe way. Well, there goes my fucking Blazer.
I think I went up the wrong mountain. Part 2, being an idiot. Oh, no!
Dude, fuck the sad thing is I can't see your perspective on this.
Part 3, oh my god, I just saw my freaking... Oh god, there it goes. All I see is the light. And... Oh wait. Oh shit! God, I have a parachute! I have a parachute! I have a parachute.
Lol.
Ouch. I just got my ass. Oh my god, this random idiot AI person picked up the drugstore. But they backed it up and then he rolled over and he freaking his ATV crushed him.
Lol.
Lol.
Lol. Yes, that's my ATV.
I have a proposal to make.
What?
If you guys want to join my crew on GTA 5, just send me an invite.
Nah. Or if you want to join our crew, I will personally send you an invite or whatever.
Yeah, just message him or comment.
Just call me.
Morse Mutual, how can I be of service?
Oh, sure.
Oh, dude, I have 2 Blazers.
Oh.
I think we can do that.
You know, the hot rod is actually called the hot rod.
No, dude, on mine it's called. Dude, when I get called, it's called the Blazer.
Morse Mutual Insurance. I'll look into it.
Ow, sharp. Ew.
So guys, in the comments below, you go to our website. You can call me. We'll comment.
Hello? This is Morse Mutual Insurance.
I'll put a down tag in the comments below, and you send us a friend request or something with your gamer tag in the description, and then we'll invite you to our crew. So yeah. How bad is bad?
I'm the worst.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, water. Oh shit, water.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh god damn it, I got my fucking hot rod again.
I almost had a shot of glass in my head.
I fucking got my Blazer again on my hot rod.
On the hot rod.
I see you. Hey bitch.
Oh god, I thought we were gonna
Exactly like that, right? Exactly, we both go over the fucking edge.
Hey, turn around. Oh shit. Get out. I just jumped into the car.
How'd that work out?
Car one.
Check your phone. I'm doing it.
What? Why can't, what's recording it? Okay, fine, invite me.
She sure should send you an invite.
Wait, I don't know, maybe.
Check your phone.
Oh, yeah, she did. Going in. Yay! This is also a mission video.
It's a mixture.
Mixture of ATV adventure and what? Wow, fucking spectating. Full shards. Shards of glass in my hand. Full shards of glass in my hand.
Whatever. Well, whatever. Our viewers can watch. Well, whatever. Our viewers can watch Maya and her boyfriend fail, and we can watch, and we can commentate. So, viewers, how's your day been going?
I was just watching some guys
Yeah, I'm fucking calling it now. I'm up till there's gonna fucking crash. Exactly, she's not fucking bring up the landing gear at all. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking send her a message saying that. Bitch. It's okay, my viewers are gonna be able to hear this, but you probably won't be able to. I'll do a shorter party. Or I'll just send her a message. Maya, you filthy skank, pump your landing gear. I'm not spectating you for any other dumb reason.
I killed her.
Dude, I called her a filthy. Yeah, I said, Maya, you filthy skank, pump your landing gear.
That's hurtful.
Ah, fuck it.
They actually won. She didn't crash.
Wow, I like how she like. I like how she like.
She didn't get a kill, so.
Ah,
Wow.
wow.
Who doesn't got a kill? Only one person got a kill.
Exactly. Okay, dude, we can vote.
And I think it was the enemy.
All right, let's refresh.
Oh, there were 7 people in the game.
Yeah, I think so.
Be free, be free, be free. You wanted to
Wait, she fucking sent me a message. Shut up, I gotta hear this. She said what? She says, what the fuck?
Oh, we should do some parachuting.
No, Maya says, what the fuck?
Talking to you. She's talking to you because you're a freaking idiot.
Dumbass.
Put up your landing gear. Come on, put up your fucking landing gear. Who doesn't put up their landing gear? That's actually...
Exactly.
I always put up my landing gear. Every single freaking time I fly a jet.
Exactly. Exactly. At least I'm smart enough to do that.
If you're jumping, everything else.
Exactly, because she's a filthy fucking skank. Dude, fuck you. Look, at least we got a level 82 during the... Why the fuck... Dude, it should always be the highest person in the lobby hosts.
Wait, we're hunters? Oh my god, you're gonna get hunted.
Okay.
You're gonna die.
Okay, shut up. Okay, Maya. Maya, welcome to the video.
Stop, bro. Oh, hell no. We totally just recorded you.
You recorded... Yo, he just fucking recorded you failing at that mission.
Come on. Who didn't put a landing gear?
Exactly.
Who didn't put a landing gear? Somebody get freaking... Nobody on the other team is ready.
No, only one of them. Oh, yeah, just one. It's D Gobby or whatever. Fucking dumbass.
I like never lift up my thing. Are you even not even here for them?
Fuck, whatever.
I'm doing survival mission.
Whatever. She's fucking gonna fucking commentate with us.
No.
Nah.
No.
Nah. No, not today.
Game. Not in the game. There's no reason for any of this.
Go, move. Sean, take off. Sean, first off. You're first off. Let's go. I take second point. I'm like some filthy skank. Oh, dude, my fucking auto aim's off. It should say haunting off or whatever. Dude, just fucking shoot him down with your miniguns or whatever. What do you want, Ben? I'm gonna get mine before she even takes off. Alright, I got it. Alright, well, moved over Sandy Shores. I'm on that. Baby left. I hate when that happens. Alright, Sean, can you go after him? I gotta help this other guy. Sean, help the other guy. I got this fucker. Ha! The fuck? I thought I shot him. Fuck yeah! Winners! I'm a winner! I'm a winner! Woo! Woo! What the fuck?
I came in for that swoop. Just bullshit RP, man. Anyway, guys, we'll end it with my flipping them off. See you later.
No, we have time for one more.
Rate, share. No, do we have time though? Like, what's it? What's that?
12 minutes.
Oh, okay. Fuck that. We're going.
Yeah, we'll do one more.
One more.
Yeah.
One more mission. Or we could just do the same one. It's up to you. Play. Refresh. You wanna do fresh one more time?
Yeah, let's refresh it. Alright. I feel like doing a race.
Deathmatch, that sounds fun. I like deathmatches. We have to make it, how long do you want this one?
I don't know, let's make it a team deathmatch.
We're probably gonna have to end it in the middle of it.
Fuck it.
Sorry about that, guys.
No, we're not.
Yeah, it depends on how long this guy makes it.
Kids, team deathmatch, normal, 10 minutes.
At 10 minutes? Fuck, dude, that's 10 minutes.
Dude.
5 minutes.
Alright, that's good. 5 minutes, target scores 10 kills, easy, game tags are on, points health bars on, time of day is current, player's current, traffic is off, block weapons in the zone and pick up. Fucking easy. Yeah, I can do, exactly, I can do fucking more than 20 kills. I thought that, this is, I thought,
One time I got 50 kills.
okay, Sean, you better not fail, I'm playing 2500 on you. You better not fail me. Dude. Yeah, dude. You better fucking win. Dude, let's fucking team up against these assholes. No, they fucking made a regular deathmatch.
Well, whatever. I'll kill you, I'm sorry.
Okay, this is me. Yeah. It's honest mistake.
Yeah, I shouldn't kill him.
Got him!
I didn't see him. I was trying to get grenade puncher and but then I remembered.
I took him down. Oh fuck!
What? I can do it for me for anybody. Not today.
Okay, that's you, Sean. Thanks.
I shot too fast. I'm sorry. I only aimed my head.
It's okay. I understand. Honest mistake.
I always do. And right when you said it was you, I had already.
Yeah, I understand. It was an honest mistake.
I saw you on the road. Yeah. I'm on the road. On like. Okay.
Alright, hey. Yo, shit, fuck, someone spawned behind us.
Oh fuck.
Nobody fucking kills my friend except me. Oh, fine, nobody kills him. Yo, Sean, one more. Wait, Sean, what's the target score?